Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel.
Sorry about that. Today, in true Angela's fashion, I will be showing you how I achieve the fox eye look by providing you with minimum information for no apparent reason. First step, prime your eyelids with the Louise base and go straight in with the transition shade without setting the primer, as this helps the eyeshadow stick to your eyes for longer, apparently. Then you would want to go in with a eyeshadow a few shades darker than the transition color to add the depth into the look. Always make sure to blend your eyeshadows to the best of your abilities to avoid looking like a chav on a Friday night out, you know, drinking them WKDs. This is me adding another darker shade on the outer edges and then blending it out because I ain't no chav. Since this is quite a simple look, I go in with a concealer for a semi-cut crease because a cut crease means you can do the makeups according to Instagram. Even though the name of the makeup style is a cut crease, I do not want it to crease up on me. Therefore, I like to go and set it with a neutral shadow. Today, I'm using a pink toned base as it will stand out from my yellow face. The transition color is what makes the whole look more put together, even if that is not the case for me mentally. Instead of an eyeliner, I like to go in with a black eyeshadow and a small smudge brush to enhance that fox eye look, but it doesn't look as harsh as an actual eyeliner or something along those lines. Once I'm done with the eyeshadow part of the look, I swiftly move on to the lashes, which we all know turns the look into a vibe, innit?
But I am not a chav.
Now, if you don't like false lashes, then we can only be part-time friends. What do you mean? Anyway, you can just stop right here with only mascara, but if this is not enough for you, then you're my type of person and go ahead with your bad self and apply your favorite lashes, babes. I recommend lashes by Omi Gurung in the style Didi Bhaini as it accentuates the fox eye because it tapers out at the end. Just look at the difference. The left side just hits different. Moving on to the base makeup, I'm just going to finish off the rest of my face like I usually do, nothing different or special on this occasion. I had applied concealer beforehand, so it's set by the time that I'm doing my foundation now. And if you want to find out all the products that I used in this video, then look in the description down below. As for the contour, I'm putting this on my cheekbone instead of underneath because I want that bronze effect instead of like a sculpted kind of look. I saw this one TikTok makeup video that was explaining that if you put it on your cheekbones, then it just emulates that sun-kissed look, and I'm just gonna believe it. Once you blend out all your bronzer and concealer, you should look something like this. I've also set my face so it just doesn't move. Now moving on to the lips, I want to go for a subtle color because I want all the focus to be on the eyes, even though it's a neutral tone going on in the eyes, but I just wanted that to be like the main focus. As mentioned in my previous video, I like to line the bottom part of my lip and then press it onto my top lip so it creates that rounded look that I am currently loving at the moment. Once I lined my whole lips with this peachy nude shade, I'm just going to go in with a slightly deeper shade and then just outline the outer lines. Now this is something that makes the slightest difference, so if you want to, you can just skip this part. You don't have to do this, but because I'm a little bit extra, I'm going to do it anyway. And then I'm going to be using this Revolution gloss. This is just gorgeous. I am only applying this onto the centers of my lips because that just gives it that more fuller effect. Now using my finger, I'm just going to remove the excess lipstick from my lips so it doesn't get on my teeth and we can all just avoid that awkward situation. For this particular look, I don't like putting anything on my lower lash line because I want everything to be just lifted. And that is it, folks. Thank you for watching this fox eye tutorial, and I'm sorry I'm a bit like 4 or 5 months late on this trend, but really I've been fox eyeing for all my life because, you know, I'm an Asian bitch. Thank you so much for watching this little video, and I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you again. Bye.